Good morning, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the prototyping and designing software for IoT applications. First, we'll discuss about the programming embedded device platforms for internet connectivity. The programming embedded device platforms which is used by interconnectivity are by using the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi libraries, and then by using the Internet Protocol libraries, and by using the cryptographic library, then adding the security and the authentication, then last one is data encryption and the decryption. These are the various types of libraries which are used in the embedded device platforms for programming using the embedded device softwares. First one is by using Ethernet and Wi-Fi libraries. The Arduino Ethernet library and the header files in the library enable the usage of serial I/O functions between Arduino SPI port, I/O utility, Ethernet shield, Ethernet client, Ethernet server, DNS and the UDP protocol functions, where DNS is nothing but a domain name server. UDP is nothing but user datagram protocol functions. These are mainly used by using the Ethernet and the Wi-Fi libraries. Then by using the Internet Protocol library, the Internet Protocol library is used when a set of built-in codes and the codes which enables us to the function which uses various functions for the library for creating stack for the transmission control and the internet protocols based communication which are needed. Then the various examples of internet protocol library functions are LWIP, which is nothing but lightweight internet protocol, which enables the transmission control protocol and the internet protocol communication with the little memory requirements. The next one is EIP, which is nothing but a micro internet protocol library function, which enables the transmission communication with a very little memory requirement. The next one is cryptographic library, where here the various security of data from the embedded device platforms is of high importance in the web applications and the services. In this cryptographic library, the data security is being mainly considered in order to deploy with the embedded device platforms. Next one is adding security authentication, adding the security to the device's data and the authentication, where here the securing communication of authentication code authentication code is nothing but a secret key where the security adds by communicating hash of AI or secret key, a text string in place of communicating plain text string. Then a function called hash function creates a fixed length string which is called hash of the input string, for example AI. Then the next one is the HA1 uses the original strings AI. Then the user communicates HA1 in place of the original AI, where here AI is nothing but a authentication string or the secret key, will call it as a AI. The next one is data encryption and the decryption. Data needs protection from read and use by an in-between system, where the encryption ensures the protection where it needs. Then the various uses of standard algorithms for data encryption and decryption, such as AES 128, AES 192, AES 256 or DES, which enables the encryption and the decryption process. AES is nothing but authentication encryption service. Encryption, where the data is being collected from the server and it is being encrypted, whether the data is being authenticated by any other users, or false data is being sent. Likewise, it is being first encrypted, and the encrypted data is finally decrypted. That is, the message is being converted from the original form, and it is being given to the security database. Adding security and authentication, here it mainly uses a authentication code for security by communicating hash of AI in place of communicating plain text string, where the HA1 uses the original string which says AI. Then the user communicates HA1 in place of original AI. A function called hash function is used in order to get the original data. Assessment, we have been discussed about the various library techniques which is used in this programming. So we'll be embedding those with the embedded applications with various platforms. Thank you.